Hi friends! I'm going to read you a book today by our favorite author again, Mo Willems. The Pigeon Has to Go to School. Come on! Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. This is published by Hyperion Books for Children. And if you look over here, there are some silly words that the pigeon says. Usually those are just what the publisher says, but Mo Willems wrote some silly things there. It says, copyright 2019. Published near a very lovely bagel shop on the Upper West Side. My Uncle Herb goes there all the time. Ha ha! I can count to 10. Watch! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This book is set in pigeon scratch, printed in the pigeon coop, feathery binding. Then it says Willems or Wantums. Who knows? The pigeon has to go to school. Why does everyone keep saying that? Summary. Come on, read the book. Why don't you? It's only 40 pages. And there's some other silly words at the bottom of that book. So if you ever check this out from the library, don't forget to look at the publishing page. Wait! Don't read that title! The Pigeon Has to Go to School by Mo Willems. Too late, rats. Why do I have to go to school? I already know everything. Go on, ask me a question. Any question. Well, I almost know everything. Does school start in the morning? Because you know what I'm like in the morning. It is not pretty. I wish I was a little chick again. A little itty bitty not going to school baby wavy pigeon. What if I don't like school? What if I really don't like school? What if I really, really don't like it? What if the teacher doesn't like pigeons? And the stuff. What about all the stuff? There is so much stuff to learn. What if I learn too much? My head might pop off. Pop. I'm scared. What will happen at school? What if there's math or numbers? What does the alphabet have? Why does the alphabet have so many letters? I made a mistake. Reading can be hard with one big I. What about lunch? What will the other birds think of me? Will finger paint stick to my feathers? What's up with those heavy backpacks? I'm a fragile bird. The unknown stresses me out. There should be a place to practice those things, with experts to help you, and books, and classrooms, and other birds to work and play with. Maybe a playground. Oh! That is school! Well, how am I supposed to get there anyway? Wuzza. What? Step aside. Coming through. The pigeon has to go to school. And then at the end here you see that we have the pigeon with all his classmates in the classroom. I miss our classroom. I'm sure you guys miss our classroom too. That was a fun book, and the cool thing was we got to see the bus, and I think that was a really funny thing that Mo Willems did to connect another pigeon book to this pigeon book. Do you remember which book it was? Tell me if you remember. Send me a message. I miss you. I hope you enjoyed reading. The Pigeon Has to Go to School. See you later.